Okay, so in this video we are going to be doing multiplication by rectangular array using our base 10 blocks. The problem that we've been given is 23 times 14. So in a rectangular array, when you're doing multiplication, you're going to set up 23 across the top because that is the first factor that we are multiplying by. So 23, 10, 21, 2, and is that 1? Yeah, 3. And then we are going to go ahead on this side. We're going to do 14. So there's 10. We're going to count out single units. 1, 2, get 2 more, 3, and 4. Bear with me. Okay. All right, and then we're just going to do super simple multiplication. 10 times 10, that's 100, right? 10 times 10, that's still 100. 10 times 1, well, that's 10. Do that 2 more times. 10 times 10 times 1 is also still 10, and then 10 times 1 is also still 10. Working from the other direction. 10 times 1, that's 10. 10 times 1 is still 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is still 1. And 1 times 1 is still 1. Let's see. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. And then back to ones. 1 times 1 is 1. And we're going to do that 2 more times. Because 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 more times. All right. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we're going to do it one last time. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is still 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is still 1. 1 times 1 is still 1. Just so you don't get confused, it's easier for me to push my factors back to be able to find what my product is going to be. So I'm going to push my factors back. And then we're just going to do basic counting. So we've got 100, 200, right? And now we're going to count by 10. So we've got 100, 200. So those are taken care of. So I'm going to write 200 down. And then we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. And then we're going to count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12. And then we've got basic addition here. 200 plus 110, that's 310. We're going to add 12 to that. It should give us 322, which is the grand total of 23 times 14 using the rectangular array method.